Today I'm going to discuss about the chapter nutrition in animal. Before discussing this chapter, let us recall our previous chapter, that nutrition in plant. In that chapter already I have discussed about the nutrition, how the nutrition process takes place in the plant. So in that chapter we have a study about the process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which plant prepare their own food by the use of carbon dioxide, water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So here we have in this chapter nutrition in animal, we have to study that it is very clear that animals are not autotrophs, they are known as heterotrophs. It means they are not preparing their own food, they are depending upon the product of plant or animal. Understand? So although we will discuss the definition of nutrition here, it means the definition of nutrition is intaking and utilization of food is known as nutrition. इसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं न्यूट्रिशन, मतलब लेना, प्राप्त करना एंड यूटिलाइज करना फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, फॉर द formation of energy in our body. This is called nutrition. So there is many different ways by which the animal can perform their nutrition process. Understand? So in animal nutrient requirements. Now next topic is the ways by which animal can take their food. Example: cow, horse, human beings, etc. can use their mouth to ingest the food. They can use their mouth to for intaking of food material into the mouths. Or one of the most important example I have given here, human beings. They are taking their food by the help of hand into the mouths for the further process of chewing and mixing or grinding the food. Understand? So these are the examples by which they are using their mouth to eat the food. But next example is amoeba. The structure of amoeba is having a indefinite shape and structure, consisting of a cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. This is called irregular shape and structure because it changes shape and size on the basis of situation. Suppose they have to locomote from one place to another, they are changing their shape and size for the formation of a pseudopodia. Now next, when they have to catch the food, again they are changing their shape and size and forming a pseudopodia. So it is very clear that their pseudopodia is used to catch their prey. अपने prey को, अपने शिकार को catch करने के लिए, अपने food को catch करने के लिए pseudopodia का formation करता है by changing their body structure. This portion is known as pseudopodia. This portion, which is formed by the cell membrane, is known as pseudopodia, which works as a mouth of an amoeba, which help them to engulf the food. Understand? This is the second example. Next example I am giving you, Hydra. Hydra. Hydra is a multicellular organism, as the first example I have given, cow, horse, human being. As like that, the Hydra is also known as the multicellular organism, but they are having a different body structure as compared to these animals. Their body structure is a cylindrical and having tentacles on their head. इसके head पे बड़े लंबे hair जैसा structure होता है जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं tentacles. That tentacles help them in two process. First is locomotion and second is catching of their prey. जैसे मैंने सीडोपोडियम में बताया, अमीबा में इसको लोकोमोशन में भी हेल्प करता है और प्रे को कैच करने में भी हेल्प करता है। वैसे ही हाइड्रा में है, कि जो टेंटिकल्स हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ऑन द बॉडी होते पाए जाते हैं वो लोकोमोशन में भी हेल्प करता है, और दूसरा ये प्रे को कैच करने में भी हेल्प करता है, विच हेल्प्स टू keep that food or prey into the mouth of hydra which is present on the top of the body. Understand? So this is the example of the parts of the body which help in intaking of food materials. Next example I am giving you paramecium. P-A-R-A. Paramecium. Paramecium is having a sleeper like structure. इसके जो स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं बिल्कुल स्लीपर शेप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, ठीक है, which are containing a hair like small hair like structure on its body. इसके बॉडी पे छोटे छोटे hair like structure पाए जाते हैं, which is work. इसमें भी ये जो हेयर है जो इसके बॉडी के सरफेस पे है, ये इसका भी दो फंक्शन है. इसमें पहला कि लोकोमोशन में हेल्प करता है, एज दे आर वर्किंग, है ना, दे आर हेल्पिंग देम इन लोकोमोशन फर्स्ट, एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू कैच द प्रे को कैच करने में हेल्प करता है, विच हेल्प्स टू keep that food into the mouth, which help in engulfing. Understand? So these are the example by which animal can take their food. ये सारे इसके body parts हैं जो animal को help करता है food को ingest करने में. Now I will start the digestion in human being. अब हम लोग start करेंगे digestion in human being. Digestion in human being. This is also known as nutrition in human being. इसको हम लोग nutrition भी mention कर सकते हैं. Nutrition in human being भी हम लोग इसको mention कर सकते हैं. It doesn't matter. Understand? सो ये इसमें हम लोग ये जानेंगे कि ह्यूमन बीइंग में जो न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस होता है वो कैसे होता है. सो इन ह्यूमन बीइंग न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस इन 5 स्टेप्स. ये 5 स्टेप में होते हैं. इट मीन्स न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस परफॉर्म इन 5 स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज इंजेशन, INGESTION. इंजेशन. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज नोन एज इंजेशन, विच इज helping to, this is also called a process, इसको process भी कहते हैं, which helps to engulf the food, intaking of food, in TAKING, intaking of food is known as ingestion. Ingestion process takes place with the help of माउथ. ये माउथ में होता है इंजेशन, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट द सेकेंड स्टेप, ये पहला स्टेप हो गया, एंड द सेकेंड स्टेप इज डाइजेशन. सो डाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रेकिंग डाउन This is the process of breaking down of food into simple soluble substance or food. This is called digestion. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं digestion. So digestion begins in, digestion जो begins होता है, digestion begins in mouth and ends to the small intestine. ये इसका जो डाइजेशन है ये आपको स्टार्ट होता है माउथ में और एंड करता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टेप. डाइजेशन is finished. Now we will discuss about the third step known as absorption. Third step जो है उसको हम लोग कहते हैं absorption. Now third step is absorption. ABSORPTION. T-I-O-N. Absorption. Absorption is the third step of the nutrition in animal, that it helps to absorb, it helps to A-B-S-O-R-B, absorb the digested food substance, food material into the blood through a small hole in the small intestine, known as villi. So villi is the structure, it's a finger-like structure present in the inner layer of small intestine, which is surrounded by the blood capillaries from all side. चारों तरफ से ये जो विलाई है ब्लड कैपिलरी से सराउंडेड होता है, विच जो हेल्प करता है डाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल को, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को, ग्लूकोज को एब्जॉर्ब करने में, और मिक्स करता है वो ब्लड में, which is mixed inside the blood, absorbed by the villi present in the small intestine as a finger projection like structure. Now this absorption process gets stopped here in small intestine. Now next step is the assimilation. Fourth number is assimilation. So we will discuss about the assimilation here after the process of absorption. After the process of absorption, the assimilation process get started. So the fourth number is assimilation. Assimilation is the process. This is the process. This is the process in which the food digested food, which is in which the digested food is transported to all parts of the body or cell. ये जो एसिमिलेशन प्रोसेस है ये हेल्प करता है डाइजेस्टेड फूड ग्लूकोज को, जो लिपिड फॉर्म जो एब्जॉर्ब हुआ है एज न्यूट्रिएंट को ब्रेक डाउन करके जो ग्लूकोज के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होता है, वो एब्जॉर्ब होता है. एब्जॉर्ब होने के बाद ये ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है थ्रू द ब्लड. दिस डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड फ्रॉम इंटेस्टाइन to the all parts of the body or cell for the formation of energy in our body, for the utilization, जिसके कारण हमारा बॉडी में एनर्जी का फॉर्मेशन हो, डैमेज्ड पार्ट रिपेयर हो. इट ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल फॉर प्रॉपर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. So this is the fourth stage known as assimilation, help in the transportation of substance from intestine to the cell, which help in the formation of energy. Now this is the fourth step. Now we will discuss about the last step known as eatation. Eatation is the 5 number of the nutrition in animal, which is involved for the final digestion in human being. The 5 number is eatation. E-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. Eatation. Eatation means होता है removal, eject करना, निकालना, बाहर फेंकना. It means in human being, eatation terms is derived as the removal of undigested food material from our body through anus. Anus is known as eatation. Now the process of nutrition in human being get stopped. This is the final step in which whatever the substance as a waste material stored in the rectum as a waste material of our body, which that is thrown out through the anus के through ये हमारे शरीर से बाहर निकल जाता है, which is the part of alimentary canal, and that process, that removal of waste material process is known as egestion. Now I am going to end my class here. Tomorrow again I will be back by the topic the function of different organ which are involved in the digestion of food in human being. ये पूरा डिटेल में मैं बताऊंगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम को बनाकर पूरे अच्छे से डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग कि कौन से ऑर्गन इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, कौन सा ऑर्गन का क्या फंक्शन है, कौन सा सब्सटेंस कब चेंज करता है, इमल्सिफाई करता है, ब्रेक डाउन करता है, ये सारा चीज़ हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसके बारे में हम लोग जिक्र करेंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.